Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Setracker watch. First, download the Setracker app to your smartphone from your App Store. Next, register a new account within the application using your email. Ensure your watch has an activated SIM card with data and call credit. Finally, locate the unique registration code on your watch for the pairing process. Once the app is installed, open it and tap the Register option. You will need to select your geographical region and then enter your email address. Create a secure password for your new account. After that, carefully input the unique registration code found on your Setracker watch to link it to your profile. Before connecting, prepare your watch by inserting an activated 2G SIM card. It is crucial that this SIM card has both data and call credit available. Once the SIM is in place, power on your Setracker watch. Allow a moment for the watch to boot up and establish a network signal, which is usually indicated on the screen. With the watch powered on and the app registered, confirm that your watch now appears within your Setracker application. You can then adjust various settings, such as the correct time zone. Test the calling and GPS tracking functions to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter issues, double-check your SIM card and app settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.